The Florida apple snail is the largest native freshwater snail in America, the size of a golf ball. She's expecting a brood of babies. But there's one obstacle. Apple snails must lay their eggs out of water, so they'll be out of reach of hungry fish. And that means going up. But climbing to the surface puts her life at risk. Patrolling the skies is an apple snail's nemesis. Many have already fallen victim. This carnage is the signature of a remarkable and deadly bird of prey. These endangered birds rely on one thing as prey: apple snails. Each bird can eat more than a dozen snails a day. The curve of the kite's bill perfectly matches the spiral of the shell. A tool evolved for shucking snails. A kite can spot a snail just under the water's surface from 30 feet up. Apple snails do have an escape plan. Back to square one. But kites don't hunt after dark, so nightfall gives an opportunity. She's in position. It's now or never. Before sunrise, she must lay dozens of eggs. Dawn, and just a few more to go. Last one. Mission accomplished. In a couple of weeks, the eggs are ready to hatch. Independent from the get-go, a new generation of apple snails will grow up in the mighty Everglades until it is their turn to face the kites.